Welcome in my YouTube channel Mathematical Sciences. Okay, hello friends. Today we are going to talk about, or one may also call, analysis of the group of order 36. Fine. uh, if you know, although the options are given, whether the subgroup is strictly contained in the center of the group. Option second says that subgroup is the same as the center of the group, and option 3 says that the subgroup is a normal in group, and final option says that subgroup is abelian. Okay, fine. These are the four options, and we are given only any group of order 36 and any subgroup of date group whose order is given to be a 4. Okay, and we check whether which conditions are required for a certain option to be a true or false. Fine. So let us try, guys. See, अगर हमें क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना हो, ओके, अगर हम एग्ज़ाम हॉल में हैं, वी ओनली अप्लाई देयर ट्रिक्स, वहाँ एज मच एज हमें ट्रिक्स से वर्क करना चाहिए, एज मच एज ट्रिक्स लॉजिक्स से. ओके, डोंट गो टू द डेप्थ of the proof, technical proof in the exam hall. Okay, this is only a game of 1 minute. This question only a game of 1 minute, because now we are not in examination hall. Here we are in the learning platform. Some people are doing the work on a YouTube, as only select the option and reject the option. But select the option and reject the option is what? Why do they get this job? But if you are solving a question of CSIR, problem of CSIR, you need to analyze that problem, so that one who has seen that video should get the concept, so that he cannot far away whenever same concept is going to be repeated in next exam. Okay, so इसलिए फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्डर 36. कौन कौन से ग्रुप हैं जो वो 36 ऑर्डर के हो सकते हैं. Order of G is 36. Okay, it may be S3 cross S3, because 3 factorial is 6 and 6. This may be Z36 as well, and this may be Z4 cross Z9. Okay, and this may be D18, this may be D2 cross D9, Z9. Okay, furthermore we can many groups of order 36. Okay, please analyze every group in accordance of these options. Okay, how does the behavior of these options plays in different groups? These all groups are 36 order. Another group is, let me tell, Z2 cross Z18. Another group is that A3 cross Z12. Another group is that S3 cross D3, which is isomorphic to S3 cross A3. Why? Because S3 is isomorphic to D3. Fine. So these are the different groups, all groups of order 36. Okay, but here Here is given that for any group of order 36 and any subgroup of order 4, then a- and any subgroup of order 4, then H, this then only then, okay, then these conditions hold on. Guys, see here, friends, see here, see clearly that here we are given that subgroup same as the center of the group. Subgroup is the subset of the center of the group, okay. uh, First of all, we think whether can this be rejected, okay. First, in every question of CSIR, first we try to see whether this can be rejected or not. Think about it, whether this can be rejected or not. Yeah, choose DN, okay, chose DN because the center of Dn is identity if n is odd, and identity and y to power n y2, where yn y2 power that denotes the reflection whose order is always 2, y to power e identity y to power n by 2, and here the cardinality of the center of the group is 2 if n is even, and the center of the dihedral group is identity if n is odd. Here is n is even, chose, okay. How my intuition work here, D18 whose order is 36, okay, because order of Dn is 2n, okay. So by this reason, okay. Now see here, center of Dn, this is the result, okay. Identity if n is odd, this is identity, and ny2 if n is even, okay. So here our subgroups order is 4, and this option says that subgroup is the subset of the center of the group, but the center of the group is what? Here the cardinality of the center of Z18, center of this is 2. This 2, okay. And so this first option says that subgroup contained in the center of the group, which will be contradict, and second option says that subgroup same as the center of the group, this will also be contradict. By same reasoning, first and second options will be contradicted. He says that any group whose order 4 cannot be subgroup of group of order 2, okay, and this cannot be possible. Any group which are equal, they must have same order as well, okay. But here order is different, there are many other conditions also required, okay, isomorphism, but here order is not same. So the now h is, now we need, friends, see here, how should we think, first of all we should try whether this can be rejected or not, okay. If we chose Z36, then this option is also false. Another way to do this, okay, we can do this in another way as well. If you chose G equal, if you choose G equal Z36, then center of Z36 is Z36, okay, whose order is what? 36, and here subgroups order is 4, and so option second is also rejected by choosing Z equal 36 as well, okay. But we have chosen who dn which has rejected already 2. Okay, try to take that example. Why I choose dn? Why I choose dn? Because I know that d almost 95% dn reject those options which talk about the centralizers, which talk about the abelianness, commutativeness. Okay, almost 95% dn rejects those. Here I see center, and center is what? Center is always an abelian group, so I try to reject it. I chosen dn. Otherwise I go for zn and only got one option, but I chose why I see here zg. Okay, and then my mind drived towards dn. Okay, this is the way to think, this is the way to doing mathematics. Okay, you need to think. So now h is normal in g. How can we approach third option which says that h is normal in g? Whether this is true or not, h is normal in g. Okay, friends, I give you the concept. Number of subgroups of dk in dn equal n divided by k if k is even, 0 if k is odd. Now if n is even, okay, depends on the n, because the order depends always. So number of subgroups of dk, because dn has two types of subgroups. Always dn has two types of subgroups. Okay, dk and zk. Okay, because dn is non-abelian and non-cyclic for every n greater than or equal to 3. Okay, for every n greater than or equal to 3 till n equal to this work me here. Okay, now we need a subgroup of order 4. Here is given the subgroup of order 4, so we our needed is d2 in d18. Okay, since 18 divided by 2 gives me 9. Okay, because n is even, and n is 18, k is 2. 18 divided by 2 which gives me 9. There are 9 subgroups of order 4 in d18. Okay, 9 subgroups of order 4 in d18. So h need not be normal. Friends, you can also approach this by applying the Silo theorem. Okay, why applying the Silo theorem? You can also do that. Okay, simply that is what the other approach is, that order of g is 36. Factorize it, apply the Silo theorem, you will get some prime. After doing prime factorization, apply the Silo theorem. Okay, you will get also. Okay, that is another way, but you should approach by Silo theorem, because that is an important and works in many purposes, uh, like in simple group, like in order to check whether the conjugates of the groups as well, since the two Silo groups are conjugates each other. Okay, this and that, which has a nice and amazing application of the Silo theorem. Okay, so h need not be normal, and my option third is going to be wrong. Now h is abelian. H is abelian or not? How should I check it? Friends, if you choose Z36, then H is normal. If you choose Z36, then H must be a normal. Why? Because every subgroup of an abelian and cyclic group is abelian and cyclic. Okay, or in other words, every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic. Since Z36 is cyclic, which implies that Z36 is abelian as well, which implies that every subgroup of Z36 is abelian. Hence H is abelian, and every abelian subgroup, if the group is abelian, then each subgroup is its normal subgroup. If the group is abelian, then each subgroup of its normal subgroup, then H is normal. Okay, in that case, third option is true, but we try to reject. Okay, but although that is true in case of Z36, but that is not a generalized. Okay, in general, that H is not normal. Why? Because dihedral group doesn't satisfy this condition. If you choose S3 cross S3, that will also not satisfy this condition. Okay, so now fourth option is H is abelian. How can you know that H is an abelian? Because H, whose order is 4, and every group of order 4 must be abelian. First 5, 1 2 3 4 5 must be abelian. But another result is that every group of order prime to power 2 is must be abelian. But here prime is what? 2 to power 2. Okay, here order of H is 4, that can be expressed as 2 to power 2. इसलिए H is a subgroup of G. Oh, H is a subgroup of G, but H is abelian, which implies that H is abelian. H is abelian, but G need not be abelian, so H need not be normal. Okay. Please prove this theorem. I leave it you exercise. Okay, for please do it. What is the theorem which I apply here? Every group of order prime p to power 2 is abelian, where p is prime number. Okay, but here p is a unique least even prime. Okay, every group of order p to power 2 is abelian. Please friends, also please think more. Okay, I give you the exercise that what happens if order of G is 18 and order of H is 4. Does this all options true? Okay, first question. Second is exercise. What does happen if order of G is 18 and order of H is 2? Okay, please do this for you, not for me. Okay, the question third is that what does happen if order of G is 24 and order of H is 4? Okay, please do this exercise. Okay, for you, not for me. Okay, and give your response in comment section. If you are able to do well, fine. If not, please comment, then I will make another video on it. Okay, we need the analysis of the problems. Okay, not to only just solving the problems and which option, why that option is true, we need to check that. Why that option is wrong, we need to and go its analysis in what grounds that option can be true. Okay, I give you the hint in the video and you can do that. Fine, please share, subscribe, please share, I request, please share. Okay, as much as you can do. Like my videos if you find something. If you don't find something, you need not like it. If you find something, please like it. It's your right. Okay. um, Share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. So and press the bell icon, ठीक है. Okay, so that you can get notified whenever I upload another video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Okay, have a nice day.